Are you in the market for a sliding miter saw but feeling overwhelmed by the numerous options out there? Look no further. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 sliding miter saws available in the market. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these saws are perfect for making precise cuts in various materials. And don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information and deals. Let's dive into the world of sliding miter saws. Bosch GC M12 SD Sliding Miter Saw. The Bosch GC M12 SD is a highly precise and versatile 12-inch dual-bevel glide miter saw that boasts a patented axial glide system for smoother cutting motion and compact workspaces. This system provides complete control, ensuring accurate performance and durable precision. Equipped with square lock fences that are pre-aligned, this saw retains accuracy and precision throughout its lifespan. Its quick-release fence ensures high-precision cuts by aligning the fence to the saw's table at a perfect 90-degree angle, eliminating the need for adjustments. This miter saw features a 14-inch expanded horizontal cutting capacity, a 6.5-inch vertical capacity, and a 6.5-inch crown capacity, 45-degree spring, making it ideal for a wide range of cutting applications. The saw's uniform bevel and miter scales, along with upfront bevel controls and all-metal bevel lock lever, make adjustments quick and easy. It also includes a 1-year limited warranty and comes with a 12-inch 60-tooth blade, wrench, toolless clamp, dust bag, and vacuum adapter elbow. Craftsman CMC S714 M1 Sliding Miter Saw. The Craftsman CMC S714 M1 Sliding Miter Saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed to cut through a variety of materials with ease. Its 3,800 revolutions per minute motor can handle 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim. The sliding 7 and 1/4-inch blade offers an 8-inch crosscut capacity at 90 degrees and a 5.5-inch crosscut capacity at 45 degrees. Additionally, the saw can cut 3 and 5 by 8-inch nested crowns and 3.5-inch baseboards vertically. The LED cut line positioning system ensures accuracy and visibility during cutting, and the 9-casted miter detent stops allow for quick and accurate adjustments. With a single charge, the saw can make up to 585 cuts in 3 1/4-inch MDF baseboard. The saw's lightweight design and side carry handles make it easy to transport, making it a convenient option for both home DIY projects and professional use. Makita LS1219L Sliding Miter Saw. The Makita LS1219L Sliding Miter Saw is a 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound saw that combines capacity, accuracy, and efficient dust extraction in a compact size. The unique 2-steel rail sliding system design offers single slide glide operation, allowing the saw to be used flush against a wall. The saw has increased capacity, allowing for up to 8-inch crown molding vertically nested, 6 3/4 inches baseboard vertical, and 15-inch crosscuts at 90 degrees. The bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access, with quick adjustments from 0 degree to 48 degrees, left and right. The saw is powered by a 15-ampere direct drive motor with soft start, which enables smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. It has a high-quality 60T carbide tipped blade and a built-in laser that indicates the line of cut, whether the blade is turning or not, with micro-adjustments for precise cutting. The dual dust collection ports provide excellent dust extraction performance, and the large-sized aluminum base improves the stability of cutting stock for more efficient cutting. Finally, this miter saw comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Skil MS6305-00 Sliding Miter Saw. The Skil MS6305-00 10-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw is a powerful and durable tool that can deliver quick, detailed cuts with its 15-ampere motor that drives 4,800 revolutions per minute. It features a dual bevel that allows for cuts in 4 positive stop positions at 48-degree and 45-degree left, 0 degree, and 45-degree right, and can cut up to 2 into 12 lumber at 90 degrees and 2 into 8 lumber at 45 degrees. One of the unique features of this miter saw is the LED shadow line, which provides high-precision cuts with greater accuracy than traditional lasers. It has 9 detents on the stainless steel miter plate and 11 miter locations, allowing for up to 50-degree cuts left or right, with 11 positive stop positions at commonly used angles. This miter saw also boasts a lightweight design with a built-in carrying handle for convenience and portability. Its cam miter lock knob ensures repeatable accuracy, durability, and easy adjustments. Additionally, the tall sliding fences support 4.5-inch base molding vertically and 6.25-inch crown molding vertically nested. It offers a 3-year limited warranty, providing woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts with a reliable and durable investment. Delta 26-2251 Sliding Miter Saw. The Delta 26-2251 sliding miter saw is a powerhouse with a 15-ampere motor that can easily handle heavy stock and timbers with its 4,000 revolutions per minute blade speed. This saw is designed for close quarters and can operate in tight spaces and against a workshop wall. The forward-located dual bevel lever makes bevel adjustments easier without the need to reach behind the saw, and the 7 positive bevel stops and 10 miter detents ensure precise cuts every time. The shadow guide cutting line projects a consistent and accurate cutting line on your workpiece, enhancing accuracy and repeatability. This saw also features a molded handle and full-size trigger that is comfortable for both right and left-handed users, and a blade brake for added safety. The Delta Cruiser is perfect for making crown molding cuts, ensuring accuracy and precision every time. With a 5-year limited warranty, this saw is built to last and is a smart investment for any workshop. Thank you for watching our video on the best sliding miter saws. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect saw for your needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.